How to find the trash folder on Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find your trash folder on Canva. It's pretty straightforward and simple, so let's just get right on to it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open Canva application, or if you're opening it on web browser, that's fine as well. I'll just go over with my web browser. Here I've logged into my Canva account. If you haven't already, make sure you do. Then from here, find your design tab at the bottom. And whenever you delete something from your designs, it's gonna take you over, it's gonna take the item over to the trash so that it's not completely lost. And if you want to recover it, you can do that from there. Let me just select this option here at the top, tap on the three dots. Then you have an option right at the bottom to move it to trash. Tap on it, and this item will now be moved to trash. Now let me just do it for a few more. I'll just do this one. All right, so to find your trash, it varies depending on the device you're using. Since I'm on web version, I can tap on the more option at the bottom right. But if you're on app, you can find it on the top left corner or on the hamburger menu. Then right there, you can find trash at the very bottom. Tap on it, and you can find the designs that you've just moved to trash. If you want to delete it forever, tap on the three dots, tap on delete from trash, and then tap on delete again, and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.